Everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M1. Once you receive your package, trace and cut the petals, one of each size, and the base. Next, what you need to do is to shape your petals. With your butter knife, curve the petal inward. Next, what you need to do is to combine your petals together to form the flowers. Start by placing some glue on the largest petal and stack the smaller one on top of the largest one. After you form your flower, place some glue onto the base, which is the leaf, and place your flower on top of the leaf and gently press it down. Now you have a beautiful flower.